Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel and watch all the fun videos we make. Today we're going to be showing you all the Valentine's items that are at the Dollarama. They have a really neat stuff, and I just wanted to share what we were looking for at Dollarama for the kids to put some stuff together for them, especially during this Omicron and COVID that's happening. The kids are studying online. They have some beautiful cards here that we can make for the kids, put it together in a nice gift basket for them. With 4 kids, definitely want to shop on a budget. So Dollarama is a great place to go. Check it out. They have a lot of neat stuff. You can get items that have 4 in a package, so that makes it really easy as well. They have these really nice Valentine gift bags as well that you can get. And in another aisle, we saw a really great items that you can do baking with at home, making Valentine's cupcakes, Valentine hearts, heart-shaped cubes, ice cubes as well, that go really well with the drinks. You got some roses here. So all in all, really neat ideas for again, Valentine's. Hopefully you guys like this. Like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.